Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we will learn how to block a crochet project. All the crocheters know the importance of the blocking. So when you block a project, it gives a good finishing, and this method I'm going to show you. No steaming, no ironing. It's a very easy method. So all you need a play mat like this, a foam mat. So now I'm going to take my finished crochet project and I'm going to lay it down on this foam mat nicely. Now I'm taking the safety pins and going to pin all the corners. So when you pin that, you have to take care of the shape. It's a square, it's easy. But if it's a garment, you have to nicely spread till your measurements and pin all the corners. Not only the corners, if you need, you can pin it in between of that. Okay, after pinning, this is how it looks like. Now all you need a spray bottle with water. So here you can see I took a spray bottle with water, and now I'm going to spray all over this crochet project. I think this method is way better than soaking whole the project in the water. So if you do this method, it will dry so faster. After spraying all over the crochet project, now we have to keep it dry. Let it dry completely and you will get like this nice and finishing project. I didn't steam it, I didn't iron it. Look at this beautiful straight edge and the stiffness just spraying water. So I hope this video is useful for you. See you with another beautiful tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.